have DOOGEE S95 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly you have to open contacts, select contact which you want to add your photo and tap edit contact. Then you have to tap on the camera icon to edit photo. You can take photo or just select photo from the gallery. And you have to select the photo. Here you can adjust it, tap done, then save. And as you can see, image added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.